Hello and welcome to this short video covering the customer portal for LUTOC. If a customer has an active account and has an email logged against their record, they will be able to use the customer portal. To do this, they will come to this page here and click the register button. When they enter their email address, they will be sent a password via their email, which they can use with their email address to log into the system. Once they're logged in, they will be presented with up to 6 boxes as shown here. This area can be configured. To configure this area, please view the Configure My Customer Portal area. In the top left hand side we have a messages section. This provides a mechanism for allowing the customer to send you messages and for you to send them messages. Any messages they send to you will be logged within the main interface, and you will also receive an email. Through the main interface you can also reply to the messages. The middle box shows the next clean details, so shows the date, the time and who the cleaners are that will be coming to do the next clean. And in the top corner we have the cleaning specification button. This will generate a cleaning specification as a PDF file so the customer has a record of what's going to be cleaned. On the right hand side we have the incidents box. This shows any incidents that have been resolved and any that are still open. If they would like to add a new incident, they can click the Add Incident button, complete the details. This will then log an incident within your main interface and will also send you an email. To view any existing incidents and the latest notes to do with these incidents, the customer can click the View button. In the bottom left hand corner we have audits, so if you're completing audits with the customer, any audit results will be shown here. These can be viewed in detail as shown, and also we can see the different areas of the audit and the results of that audit. The middle section shows any documents that you've uploaded for the customer. This might be site reports, it could be contract details, any other information that you've loaded within the main interface. And on the right hand side here we have the contact details showing the current contact details for the customer. If they want to, they can click to edit the details and this will be reflected within the main interface. If the customer is responsible for multiple sites, they will also see a drop down list allowing them to select different sites. They do not need to log in as different users. If you need any further information relating to this, please contact us at www.lutoc.com.